Well, hello hackers, pen testers, and bug bounty hunters. Hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to solve lab number 18. And again, there is reflected cross-site scripting. So reflected cross-site scripting into a JavaScript string with single quote and backslash escaped. So before going to the description, this little disclaimer as always for you. This video and its content are only for educational and awareness purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, this lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search tracking functionality. The reflection occurs inside a JavaScript string with single quote and backslash escaped. So to solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that breaks out the JavaScript string and call the alert function. So the most important part here is you can see single quote and backslash is escaped. And the second important part here is we need to break out the JavaScript string and call the alert function. So without wasting time, let's jump to the lab. And here you can see I already opened up the lab. So the first thing I'm going to test here is what the lab said, that the single quote is escaped. So I just put here single quote and let's try to search this. And as we search it, you can see there are 5 results and all the results are shown below, I think. But the important part here, the single quote is shown here. So I just highlight it, right click here and inspect this because I want to see, because in the lab it's saying it is going to, the input is going to be shown here within the JavaScript, okay, reflected inside the JavaScript. So let's see within the header tag or heading tag, sorry, not header, it's heading tag. Our search term is there, but below this we have script tags, and within the script tags you can see there are search term. So within the script tag, it's defining one variable named as search term, and the search term value is going to be anything what we input here in this search field. Now whatever the value of this search term we input here, put into the document.write, okay, but with encode URI component. Fine. So another thing you can point out here, that we just put here single quote, but this backslash is there because it is trying to escape this single quote. Fine. Second part, it said that also backslash is escaped, I think. So search backslash also. And once we search, we can see here one backslash the application is itself putting by trying to escape this, and this backslash what we put. So again, I'm going to click here, come back here, go to the script, and you can see here double backslash, right? The important part what we saw here, that we need to break out the JavaScript. So this is quite easy lab. So you can see this is the script tag here, and within the script tag the script is defined. What we gonna do is to break out this script tag, I'm going to say here //script, and then I'm just going to write anything, let's say cybersec radar. Fine. Search it, and as we search this one, let's see what happened. Go to the script tag, and as you can see, we break out from this script tag. So here you can see cybersec radar, our string is rendered on the page with document.write, because inside document.write there is image tag which is processed itself. So there is no meaning of document.write right now, and that's why it is showing here rendered here as just a normal string with what we put here cybersec radar, because this script tag what we put here enclose this script tag after the search term. Okay, so now it is very easy. You can just put here script, generate the alert, because in the lab they did not define any specific tag or any specific event or attribute. So you can try here anything, SVG, image, anchor tag, or whatever you want. So I'm just trying here image tag source is equal to X, and because this source does not exist, so I'm going to use on error. If the source does not exist, so it will generate an error, and on error it is going to call the alert function. That's it. Let's say cybersec radar. Okay, so just search this. Oh, sorry, because this is the string actually, and it must be enclosed within the single quote. So let's see. This one, I'm just going to enclose it with the single quote. Okay, single quote, and search the term. Still, why so? Let's see. Because the image is called but alert is not called. Maybe because of, let me check one more time. I know what's the problem here. Because you can see the search term, the single quote is escaped, and that's why, because of this backslash, it is not generating the alert. So let's try something else. Instead of writing some kind of string, we can try just numeric value 1 2 3 or anything or nothing. Search it again, and as you can see, the alert is popped up and the lab is solved. So that's it for this lab. Hope you understand it. If you have any query, you can put your query in the comment section and I will try to respond as soon as possible. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I'm going to see you in the next lab. Bye.